can't open this one. Okay, right. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Idris's house. I'm teaching my student Idris. He's going through some of his homework that he had been given, but so we're looking at composite area with circles in it. Okay, I hope you can see that nice and clearly. Right, okay, right. So let's have a look at the first question over here, question number 5. I'm trying to write and make it as big as possible. So we're doing composite area. So I'm going to draw a nice big sketch. Of the first shape. So that's 2 centimeters. And this measurement here is 6 centimeters here. Okay, here we go. We have a rectangle shape with a half a semicircle on top of it. Just check that it's got that in nicely clearly. Now, when we look at this particular shape, Idris, what we need to do is think of it as 2 separate shapes. So we have shape A and we have shape B. Now shape A, so the area is equal to the area of A plus the area of B. Okay, what is the area of A? If you look at shape A, I'm going to do another sketch of it here. Area of A, this is a semicircle, so it's half a circle. Now, for a circle, in order for us to work out the area, we need to know the radius. The radius is this distance here, from the center to there. Now, if we know the total distance across, which is 2 centimeters, that's called the diameter, we can work out the radius quite simply by halving it. Excellent. So the radius is equal to
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. Excellent. Okay, now the shape B. Shape B is a rectangle with a length of 2 and a width of 6. So I'm breaking down the shape into its components and showing you what it consists of. So the area of a semicircle will be the same as the area of a circle, but we'll have to divide it by
2
because it's half a circle. And the area of a rectangle is length times by
width.
So here we have to do, the radius is 1, we just said, so it'll be pi times by 1 squared divided by 2, add the length, which is 2 times by 6.
Yeah.
At the moment I haven't simplified pi to 3.14. We can use the calculator pi button. So today we're going to also be looking at how we use the calculator for this kind of calculations. Right, so if we switch on our calculator, now we have a fraction situation here, so you press the fraction button first. So you press shift and the time by 10x, that'll give you pi. Time by 1 squared, as we see there. You press the replay button, that brings the cursor down, put the 2 on the bottom. And then you press replay again, that part, and that brings it up, put the plus. And then we're going to do 2 times by 6, and that will give us, okay, at the moment that's giving us an answer of 13.57079 blah blah blah.
6.
Now, if you look at this particular number here, we need to round it off to a reasonable degree of accuracy, and at the moment 1 dp is more than sufficient. So we look at this number here, this is my last digit, this is my decided digit. So the answer becomes 13. Because this is 5 or more, we add 1. So the final answer will be So the final answer will be 13.6 centimeters squared. So that is the area altogether of the whole shape. So in this particular type of question, what we need to make sure that we identify the different sections. So this is a half a circle, this is a full rectangle. So we have pi r squared for the area of a circle, but you have to halve it to give you the semicircle, and length down by width. So here is the thought process of how you think about the question is the most important. So this part here, this here is really the key. This is the idea. How are we going to do this particular question? If you got the right idea, the formulas will follow suit and you get the right answer, and then being careful with the question. Okay, that's the end of this first question. Please join us back for another question.